let's make some chicken and dumplings. We're gonna start with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, or you could use a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'm going to mix with that a couple of stalks of celery, an onion, and then you can also cut up a couple of carrots. I am using my canned carrots though, and they're already cooked, so we're not gonna add any extra carrots. And then I'm also gonna use a huge tablespoon of garlic. You can use the garlic powder if you'd like. Let's saute this all together. All right, to this, now it looks like that we got it kind of sauteed and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and add about half of my carrots. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and add 6 cups of chicken broth. I can my own chicken broth. You can kind of see the jar in the back. So my chicken broth is already seasoned. But you can salt and pepper to taste. You can add a little extra anything. I'm just gonna put in a little more thyme and just a little more rosemary. I love the taste of rosemary. And then we're just going to bring that up to a boil. It already smells wonderful. All right, so while we're waiting on our broth to boil, we're gonna go ahead to another bowl and add 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I put about a half a teaspoon of dried parsley. I put about 1/4 of rosemary and 1/4 of thyme in that. So to this, we are gonna go ahead, gotta be able to talk, and add 3/4 of a cup of butter, and then 3/4 a cup of milk. And we're gonna mix this all together. All right, so once your broth is boiling, you're gonna take your batter that you made, and we are just going to drop it in. And you can do these in huge ones, or you can do these in small dumplings, however you wanna do it. I just put them on my spoon and drop them all in there, just like that. And then once we get them all in, we are going to, also forgot to put my chicken in. So we're gonna add that too. And this is just chicken that I canned. You can do rotisserie chicken if you want. If you want to cook you a whole chicken, just put the whole thing in. You're supposed to add that before you add the dumplings. So don't be like me and forget. Put your lid on after you have all your dumplings in and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not remove your lid while it's cooking. And there you have it, chicken and dumplings.